welcome back to my channel. I am Itza Arroyo, and if you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button on today's video. In today's video, I have a Walmart haul for you, so if you are interested to see what I got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Hi dolls, I am a mom of 5 and I love showing here on my channel what clothing looks like on my body. I do carry a lot of my weight in my midsection, and if you are a doll that can relate, you have found the right channel. Now, of course, my content is for everyone. I love to share fashion hauls, reviews. I love to share beauty. So if you're into that content, don't forget to subscribe and become one of my dolls. In today's video, I have the very first Walmart haul of 2024. This haul is kind of one of those late night purchases, so it's kind of a little random. So let's just get into this video. I'm gonna start off with some shoes. Now, if you haven't seen my Walmart spring new arrivals shoe video, you need to head over there and go ahead and watch it. I'll go ahead and link that video down below as well. The first shoes I want to share with you are these scoop block heel mule sandals. I got them in size 8 and I absolutely love the color. These are so comfortable and I just love the style. The block heel, it has a little bit of a square style, but it's very flattering. True to size, these do go for $35, but I think I'm definitely gonna keep these. These are so pretty. This color is still gonna be trending in the springtime. So this one comes in 4 color options and there is whole and half sizes. The strap is very comfortable. These are gonna be perfect also, like, you know, when you're in a hurry and a rush to get out the door, especially on Sundays when it's time to go to church. These are some cute heels that you could just slip on and be ready to head out the door. So very comfortable, very pretty shoe. Strongly recommend. So here's another pair of shoes from the brand Scoop, and they are coming out with a lot of new arrivals. So this is their angled strappy wedge. I did get mine in size 8. These do go for $35, but I think I'm gonna return these dolls. Like I said, this was a late night purchase and I really didn't think about like the thong style. Do you see the thong here? Honestly, when I was trying them out, even wearing them for a good 3 minutes, it was already bothering the in between my toes. So but I do like the style. Maybe if it was just like a single strap, I would definitely keep these. But let me know down below, are we into these type of sandals? So this one comes in 3 color options. This one goes for $35. I got mine size 8, true to size. The wedge is pretty sturdy. The wedge I really like. I think these are definitely going to be trending in the springtime. It has a square toe style. It does have a buckle closure. Really nice shoe. Again, this right here is just not for me. This right here is a no boundaries color blocked tracked jacket and jogger set. This is a 2-piece set that goes for $28 and I am absolutely obsessed. I did grab mine in a size large just because it is a junior brand, but honestly, because of the elastic waist on the jacket and the elastic waist on the joggers, I could have done a medium. The large doesn't look too oversized on me, but it has a slight oversized look, which I hear is trending when it comes to tracksuits. So I'm not sure if I want to exchange it for a medium or keep the large. Lightweight, it does come in 4 color options. It does come in sizes extra small to 3XL, and I just couldn't help myself but get the white and black color. But there is a neutral set that is very pretty, so if you're into neutrals, perfect outfit to be on the go, and it is definitely giving a sporty vibe. And then I love sets because I just don't have to go through my closet to see what I can wear. Also, you can wear it separate, you don't have to wear it together. It does have pockets here. It does have 2 bungee cords on the side. The jacket does with elastic waist. It zips up nicely. The joggers have pockets. The bottom of the pants do have like the cuffs, and so does the jacket. Really good jacket. Another outfit that I strongly recommend that I am really considering keeping. I just don't know if I want to go down to a size medium or keep my large. So I'm still iffy about that, but I strongly recommend. If you are still looking for a Valentine's Day dress, or you want a dress that's going to give you some confidence, this one right here had me feeling myself. As I shared at the beginning, I'm a mom of 5 and I carry most of my weight in my tummy area, and so it's very hard to feel comfortable in like bodycon dresses or like more fitted dresses, but this dress right here was giving me all the confidence. This is Scoop Sheer Maxi Dress. Maxi Dress goes for $36 and it is a bestseller. I love that is sheer. There's just something very sexy and sophisticated about this dress. It does come in 2 color options, and I went ahead and got mine in size medium. I was just wearing some body shaping underwear, so I wasn't wearing anything that was either compressing me, but if I had also like a really good shapewear, I think this would even elevate it even more. But really beautiful dress. I am about 5'4" in height, and the length of the dress for me was perfect. Now pair it with the first 2 shoes that I showed you at the beginning of this video. Oh, it's stunning. I think she's a keeper. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this dress goes for $36. I might be keeping most of this haul, but here is a trench coat, faux leather trench coat. So good. It's from the brand Scoop, and this one goes for $45. I did grab mine in a size small. I don't have a faux leather trench coat, and I've been wanting one for a very long time. It does have pockets, and then it has a self tie. This does come in sizes extra small to 2XL. It does have a little bit of a padded shoulder. It's very subtle, and it also comes in a neutral color. So if you're not really into the black, it does come in a tan color. It does have a mid-weight feel. It has the notch lapel collar and really good trench coat. Again, I've been wanting one for a long time, so when Scoop came out with one, I'm like, I need this trench coat. And I honestly think that she's going to be a keeper because it's really good. You know, sometimes faux leather can look like a trash bag. This does not look like that at all. So here's Scoop satin midi dress, and this one goes for, let me check. This one goes for $24, and 3 color options are available. So I got this very pretty gray, and then it comes in, I believe, like a pink, and then a more of a print. It does come in sizes extra small to 2XL, and then I went ahead and got mine in a size medium. Now from sideways, this dress, it's not enhancing my midsection. Like face forward, I feel like depending on the way I move, my midsection was really kind of standing out. Remember, dolls, when it comes to clothing, if it feels good, wear it. And so for me, the skirt, I did not feel my best. And so I think this is going to be a return. But you know, if you have more curves, if you have more of a flatter midsection, I think you're really gonna like this dress, and it's only $24. By the way, this skirt does have an elastic waist, and so you do have that room, and I felt like in my waist it felt good. I just don't like how it's bringing out my midsection. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have a Walmart spring new arrivals video. Check that out. I did feature these sneakers, and I didn't end up getting them in store, but I regretted it. As soon as I saw that tracksuit, I was like, these sneakers would look so good with that tracksuit. And tell me they're not giving like high-end lookalikes. Look, it has a little the air bubble. The comfort is there with these sneakers, dolls. So if you're looking for white new sneakers, check these out. And these are like, I believe, like under $25, like $22. It does also come in a pink. So for all my dolls who love pink, I saw them in pink, and they are really pretty. So Walmart is killing it with the sneakers right now. I'm gonna go ahead and link down below under this number all the sneakers that I've been finding, and check them out because they're really good. You already know that one of my recent purchases were like some Adidas Samba lookalikes. These right here, these are selling like hotcakes, and these are so good. If you can get your hands on them, I also highly recommend too. So this is an oversized satin bomber jacket from the brand Scoop. Did get mine in a size small. It comes in sizes extra small to 2XL. It is a bestseller right now, and it goes for $39. It's a beautiful bomber jacket. I just wish, I wish it was a little bit more cropped. It does come in 3 color options, black and like this beautiful pale pink, which is going to be the trending color for springtime, dolls. So it has a satin finish. It does have some ribbing detail here on the collar, zips up really well, 2 pockets here on the side, and like I said, it's really pretty jacket. I have 2 more items to share, and I don't remember getting this color. I'm telling you, dolls, I was just scrolling at nighttime. I didn't get it specifically in this color. I did get this dress, but I didn't get it in this color. They sent me the wrong color. This is Time and True Smok midi dress, and this one goes for $19.98, so under $20. I got it in a size small. It does have the smocked waist, and so it looked very flattering on the model, and so I wanted to see how this was gonna look on my body. Slightly see-through, so definitely gonna have to wear some nude undergarments. Does it have pockets? Does it have pockets? Yes. And this one comes with, I like the color. Actually, it's not bad. I actually had chosen a lighter color, but I feel like dark colors complement me. Comment down below, are you into darker tones? Are you into neutrals? Okay, dolls, this dress is absolutely beautiful, and I love that it's giving me a waist and it's giving me some curves. So this is definitely flattering for all my dolls who carry most of their weight in their midsection. So pretty. This is a beautiful Sunday dress, a beautiful brunch dress. I am absolutely obsessed. I love that it has pockets. It does feel very lightweight, very airy. I love the cut of the sleeves. Is she a keeper? I think she's a keeper. I feel so good in it, and that is the whole point of fashion. That is the whole point of your style. Like, if it feels good, wear it. This is so stunning. I love how it's making my chest look a little larger than it really is. So last but not least, I want to share these shoes. These are from No Boundaries, and these are the No Boundaries 2-band platform shoes that go for $24.98. They do come with the memory foam. They do fit true to size. They are nice. They're just not for me. It does have more like a round toe style. The straps kind of feel a little snug, just a tad bit snug. And although I love platform shoes, I just don't find these flattering on me. I guess maybe it's the shininess of the shoe that's probably like throwing me off. Just because something doesn't work out for me doesn't mean it's not gonna work out for you. And it's a why are you holding a pot? I finally learned how to make Mexican rice without the tomato juice. I'm actually using real tomatoes, and my mother-in-law uses a pot like this. And so I've been looking for a pot that cooks it really well. I've made rice in this 2 times, and it's come out perfect twice. So, and then today, to test it out, it's dirty, I did try cooking eggs on it, and it did not stick. So I'm gonna share it because this is a great kitchen find. And also, by the way, this top is from Walmart as well. So if you love skim dupes, I don't hear anyone talking about these tops right here. These tops are amazing, and I think it comes in 4 color options. So I'll go ahead and link it down below. This basic t-shirt is double layered, and I believe it was $10. Such a great basic, and I don't know why nobody's really talking about them. So dolls, we've come to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching and staying this far. And if you did stay all the way through to the end of the video, make sure to comment the word tracksuit. I'm so excited for this year. Stay tuned for a Walmart spring fashion haul. It's coming soon. If you aren't already, hit that subscribe button. And like always, dolls, God willing, we will talk to you on the next one. I gotta go drink my tea because I forgot to drink my tea. Bye.